that time, without any recognition, now everywhere we have recognition, including the only recognition in the entire world, that is the recognition to be a company secretary or a company having certain capital. Without any recognition in a practice, now everywhere government is recognized company secretaries, including to appear before the quasi-judicial authorities. That time we have a handful number of students, now we have more than 4 lakh students. So n number of achievements are there with this profession, But yes, कुछ जगह we missed some opportunities. And one part is this Northeast. When I assumed the charge of the president, I analyzed the data of my institute, the student data and the members data, and it was very surprised. It was surprising to me that out of my 4 lakh students, only 5,000 students are from this region, sir. And out of 5,000, only 300 to 400 students are from 7 states. And in Guwahati, only we have the number that is 4,000 something, and rest of the states the number is only 300 to 400, and the number of members is hardly 10 to 15 in all the states. So then I really felt that somehow it's my failure. When I say my failure, it means institute's failure, because the purpose of institute is not to have number. Particularly in few states, the purpose of institute to have governance professional in nook and corner of the country, and not only in the country but out of the country. So then immediately, sir, we took some initiative. We started extensive career awareness program in the entire region. I am the first president in the history of our institute who visited, I am very happy to say, who visited all the states of this region. And what I found, let me very honestly say, I had a different mindset about this region, about the youth of this region. After my visit, friends, I say, if I am saying, I mean it. The youth of this region are very disciplined, dedicated, and very futuristic. And soon they have become the brand ambassador of New India. This is my words, take it. Friends, first time now in the entire Northeast we have Connect Center, we have study centers. In every state of Northeast, now ICSI has its own presence. First time in the history of institute, not only in our institute, in all the institutions, our institute is the one who come out with a scheme that up to 31st March 2018, there be no any fee to a student of this region who enroll himself or herself into this company secretary profession. First time. This is not something, it's some sort of a subsidy, or it's nothing like a subsidy or something. It's just the purpose is to involve these students in the mainstream development of the nation, and definitely it will result into the development of the region. More company secretaries, more compliance. More compliance, definitely it helps to develop the economy of the region. And friends, last but not least, the very first national conference in this region. When I am saying entire credit, means entire credit goes to Guwahati chapter, led by Amit Parikh and his team, duly supported by seniors like Rajkumar ji, जो महिला उत्पीड़न से मुक्त हो, जो नारी सम्मान से युक्त हो, जो भ्रष्टाचार से मुक्त हो, जो पारदर्शिता से युक्त हो, जो निराशा से मुक्त हो, जो आशा से युक्त हो. This is the role of the professionals. Who is the professional? One, having a specialized knowledge. B, who perform up to the expected level of quality and accuracy. Expected level of quality and accuracy. Expected from the stakeholders. And the third, who perform with the ability, who work all times with integrity. And this is what the motto of ICSI, Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara. One who always carry the motto Satyam Vada Dharmam Chara. Speak the truth, abide by the law. When I say follow Dharma, I don't mean to follow a particular religion. For me, Dharma is rule of law. For me, Dharma is righteous path. For me, Dharma is self-consciousness. For me, Dharma is rule of governance. Friends, in our Shastras, very well said. Chala Lakshmi Chala. Chala Lakshmi Chala. Pranas Chale Jivita Mandire. Chala Chale Sansare. Dharma Eko Hi Nischala. All our money, soul, wealth, everything go by time. But one thing always remains, and that is Dharma. And that is rule of law.
One of these trainee judicial officers who are sitting with you, one of the fundamental of the trainings which I always like to give them, and part of training to them is that, well, there are two fundamentals for any judicial officer about any particular problem, because we come across every day problems and means doubts, disputes, conflicts, and our task is to see the resolution as best as we can. So I wish all of you, delegates in particular, coming from all over, all the very best here, a very pleasant stay here, and we would definitely look forward that the institute, on the serious note I would say, opens out study centers here, the coaching centers also here, and tap the potential of the students who are here. And I can assure you that my students here will never fail you. Thank you so very much.